covered in banana cream cheese frosting and caramel drip and that topping. Oh, this is one of our favorite comfort foods. The walnuts are best if you toast them. Separate 4 eggs. The whites go in your mixing bowl and the yolks go in here. 1.5 cups or 375 grams of bananas. Hey, Coconetta, look what I found in the garden. That's one of Chessie Cheesecake's whiskers. Yeah, maybe it'll bring us some luck. Big Val's always this happy. While your egg whites are whisking away, mash up the bananas and the yolks. See the stiff peak? Drizzle in 1/4 cup of sugar and you make a meringue, a French meringue. Great guavas, look at that! Tentative of 1, but I have a plan. That'll peel their pastry party apart. What's the plan, man? Pie catapult? Glitter trap reversal? A curse fondue fountain? Better we build the Looney Lord. You don't have to wash your mixer bowl this way. To your flour, add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Cream together your unsalted butter and the rest of your sugar. Room temperature for best fluffiness. Alternate in your flour bowl and your banana bowl. We scrape the bowl after each one to keep from overmixing. Overmixing will make your cake as tough as a sea turtle shell.
Okie dokie.
He's cute.
Add in your walnuts and fold in your meringue ever so gently and carefully. Scoop down deep and bring it around and turn your bowl, and every once in a while cut down that central fusion.
We use cake strips. They're just strips of fabric that you soak in cold water. Gives you flat tops every time. And bake for 15 to 18 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. What else you're expecting? Egads! Behold the Looney Lord 5000! Let's make the caramel drip so it has time to cool. We made extra because Jane Goodall's coming over later and we're having it on our ice cream. We're gonna watch Planet of the Apes. You can get away with about half the recipe, and we did the math for you in the description. This part takes a really long time, like 10 minutes. You have to let it get up to 345 degrees. It'll start to turn amber color right at the end. And this is where it gets exciting. It's like a White Sox game where nothing happens, board, boom, a home run. This stops the cooking and starts the cooling. You can put it in the fridge or the freezer too. Just give it a stir every once in a while. The Looney Lord 5000! It shines, it sparkles, it smells like cinnamon and mystery. They'll come running like space moths to the flame. And once they're inside, boom! No flavor, no fun! You want your butter and cream cheese at room temperature when you start. And this is the safest way, as warm as your dishwater. It only takes like 10 minutes. And look at this little tricky dicky to get your whisk out clean. 5 cups of powdered sugar. Not to worry, ours is not overly sweet, and we show you how in a little bit. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of banana extract, and a little bit of kosher salt. Tones down the over sweetness. No escape! Yeah, yeah, yeah! No escape! No fun! Tomorrow, we launch the decoy peach from orbit. Putting this all together is so fun. Flip your top layer upside down and make sure everything is level. It's hard to fix that when it's frosted all the way. If the frosting is too soft, pop the whole cake and bowl in the fridge for like 10 minutes or so and it'll firm right up. The caramel drip takes a lot of patience. A little bit drips a long way. We use the same open tip for meringue kisses. The caramel keeps the banana coins from turning brown. Der track the scent. Genie will sense the golden egg illusion. Glitzabelle won't be able to resist the glittering spotlight trap. No fun!